What's your daily routine? Do you start your day early or late? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting and practical topic, the daily routine. We'll explore a new and effective way to learn English through your everyday activities without spending hours sitting with books or notes. Learning a language doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It can actually be a natural part of your life. How? Simply, every activity you do during the day can be an opportunity to learn new words and sentences. Let's start from the morning. When you wake up, open your eyes and think of a simple English sentence like, I am waking up. Then, when you get out of bed, say, I am getting up. When you go to the bathroom to brush your teeth, you can say, I want to brush my teeth. After that, if you wash your face, add another sentence, I want to wash my face. Now, it's breakfast time. You can say, I am having breakfast with my family. If you drink tea or coffee, you can add, I am drinking tea or I am drinking coffee. When you leave the house, don't miss the chance to describe what you see around you. If you see a beautiful tree, say, look at that tree, it's very big. If the weather is nice, say, the weather is nice today. The key is daily practice. The more you use English in your everyday life, the more fluent and confident you will become. Even if you make mistakes at first, it's okay. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Make this method a daily habit. Speak English in every possible situation, even if you're just talking to yourself. Over time, you'll find yourself thinking in English without translating in your mind. And in a short time, you'll notice that you can speak easily and understand others because you learned the language in a natural way. Just like a child learns their mother tongue, don't forget to